pawn shop pickup today. A couple Zippos. Wanted to show you. Maybe get some advice on them. Maybe give me a little more info. It's kind of it was a pawn shop, so they had like, I don't know, 8 Zippos I picked out, the 2 oldest. This one's a Hamilton. Not sure what company that is, but you can see it's the Zippo with the patent 2517191 on the bottom. It's in decent condition, I guess. The hinge is a little bit loose. Insert is not very descriptive. And the other one's pretty cool. This one's pretty minty, other than you can see that it had the flint dust in there, so it's a little dirty, but it's a Federal Telephone Radio Selenium and Intelin division. This one's the older of the 2 as well. It's a patent, 20326951, but it's really nice shape too. Pretty happy with this one. Actually happy with both of them. This is my first 3-barrel hinged one too, which is cool. Just looking at them and noticed that. But yeah, 2 Zippos. Each of these were $10, which feels fair. Yeah, if you let me know what you think, how I did. If you have any more info that you could cue me in on, that'd be much appreciated. Thanks. Once again, thanks for watching. I look forward to meeting other Zippo collectors and joining the whole Zippo community. And I will get to those other videos, those other Zippos that I promised on reviewing.
Rather wise. It's such a perfect day.